Leonardo AI Tutorial Canvas, best and free AI image editor. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you our tutorial on using Leonardo AI Canvas, the best and free AI image generator or editor. Leonardo AI Canvas is a powerful online tool that allows you to edit and enhance your image using artificial intelligence technology. So, whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, or simply someone who wants to create stunning visual, Leonardo AI Canvas has all the features you need. So, let's get started. Now, this is our Leonardo Canvas, and we're going to give you a quick tour on the different things that you could do and use Leonardo Canvas for. Now, over here on the left side, these are the different features or the different tools that you could use within Canvas. We have your pan over here, which would allow you to move around your canvas over here. You could zoom in and zoom out with this option. You also have your select option over here. On the select option, this is going to allow you to move your box over here. Now, when generating images or editing images in the canvas, anything inside this box would be changed. If it's outside the box, it will not be changed. So you will be able to use this select option over here to move around your canvas just like this. And you have your snap over here, which would snap the movement to a specific pixel size. You also have draw mask over here, which would allow you to do in painting or like edit specific sections of a photo. For example, you have a photo of a cat and then you would like to remove a section, like you remove the tail. You could highlight it with the mask and it will remove or change the location of the tail depending on your prompt. You also have your remove over here, which would erase a section of the image. You could also upload image over here from computer, from previous generation, or from the community over here. You can also generate your own image inside the canvas itself by simply adding a prompt over here. Now, in the canvas, it is a beta version, so there will be some bugs or there will be some bad outputs, but you're going to have to understand that it is currently in the beta version, but it still has a lot of potential and still able to produce amazing results. Over here on the right side, as you can see, this is very similar to the settings in the AI generation section of AI art or the AI image generation of Leonardo AI. You will be able to select your models over here, although the available models are only Stable Diffusion 1.5 and 2.1 over here, as you can see. You could also edit the number of images that you could produce in one go. You could edit your image dimension over here, your aspect ratio, your guidance scale, and tilling over here. Tilling is very good for duplicating a background. As you can see here, repeating textures or background. So let's see and show you what you could do with Leonardo AI Canvas. Now, like I said earlier, you will be able to produce your own image over here. So let's produce our own image. We're going to go with the 2.1 and let's say a table with a cactus on top with a window in the background. And this is our prompt over here. I'm going to fix our spelling. And this is our prompt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit our aspect ratio. I'm going to make it landscape so that we have more space to generate our content just like this, and we're simply going to click on generate. Now this will generate a total of 4 images and it will use up a total of 4 tokens. It's lower than usual, unlike in the image generation where it would usually take a lot of tokens. It's lower because we're using a lower version of our model over here, and as you can see, it's generating our output right now. And we have our output over here. We have 4 different options. We have the first one, second one, and third one, and a fourth one over here, and then we could use any of this option. So for example, I'm going to go with this one over here. Click on accept, and we can simply click on our pan over here to navigate through our photo over here, and just like that. Now, for example, you would like to edit or change a content of your output over here. We could go with draw mask, and then we could simply draw on a specific thing that we would like to change. For example, this one over here, just like that. And then you can simply outline the specific part that you don't like to see. Then we could change our prompt over here. Let's say row spot. Click on generate, and then it's going to generate us 4 different images once again. Now keep in mind the mask should be within the box over here, within the box that we have, because if it is outside that, it's not going to show you the output or the change that it is going to recommend. And let's see what it recommends right now. And right now it removed it. I think basically what it did right now is just it basically removed our photo over here. But let's see, rose spot plant. Let's change it to that. Then click on generate, and let's see what we will be able to produce. And let's see if we will be able to get a rose inside our output over here, because that is our goal with today's video. Now we could also limit our number of images over here to save our tokens. Now, I don't think it was able to produce our image once again. Let's see. Let's give it a bit. And these are the different outputs right here. Like I said earlier, it is a beta version. It's not going to produce you good outputs, but it should still be there like that. So we're going to go and undo this for now. The other thing that we're going to show you is the outpainting feature. So we're going to select our output over here, our box, and we're going to move it to the side. We're going to make sure that there's a significant amount of space between the inside section of the box. Make sure that it is getting information from the main photo, and then a section over here that is empty. That's going to be important later on. So as you can see, we're going to align it just like that, and then we're going to generate. So we're simply going to remove this, and we're going to ask it to do the same thing. We're going to re-enter the prompt that we have earlier. A table with a cactus with window as background. This is very similar to our original prompt. So we're going to do this, then click on generate. And now it's going to fill in this section over here that is empty with a contently aware output that Leonardo will take information from in this section over here. Like I said earlier, it's going to have enough section over here to base its information from. And as you can see here, it's going to add this calculus over here. We could add and choose this other options as well. Right now we only chose to produce 2 images, but this is what it will be able to do. And then we can click on accept, and it will apply it to our photo over here. Now you can also upload images from the community by clicking on the community feed over here, and you can simply choose any option that you want over here, or you could also go to your own generations over here, and then you could edit them and expand them however you want. As you can see here, an example is, for example, we're going to go to the community feed, then we're going to select a random one, for example this one. You can select this, and we're going to give it some time, and it will upload into our canvas over here just like this. And you can simply like put the box around here, and then try to expand the image as you go on if you would like to do that for your output. Now we won't be able to produce much outputs right now because I am running low with tokens. So we're going to end it here for today's video. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.